Welcome to our security camera showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two popular home security systems, the Firstrend 1080p wireless security camera system and the Litymol 3K 5MP wired security camera system. We'll examine their key features, pricing, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision for your home security needs. Let's get started. When it comes to image quality, the Firstrend system offers a resolution of 1080p Full HD, which is decent for basic surveillance. However, the Litymol system takes it a step further, with a stunning 5 megapixels resolution, providing clearer and more detailed images. This makes a significant difference, especially in low-light conditions where clarity is crucial. In terms of features, the Firstrend system includes basic motion detection and night vision capabilities. On the other hand, the Litymol system boasts advanced AI motion detection that can differentiate between humans and vehicles, along with color night vision and two-way audio. These features enhance security and provide a more interactive experience. The Firstrend system operates on a wireless connection, which makes installation easier but can sometimes lead to connectivity issues. In contrast, the Litymol system uses a wired connection, providing a more stable and reliable performance, especially for continuous recording and remote access. In conclusion, both the Firstrend and Litymol security camera systems have their strengths and weaknesses. The Firstrend is a budget-friendly option with basic features, while the Litymol offers superior image quality and advanced functionalities. Depending on your needs and budget, you can choose the system that best fits your home security requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.